Good morning! Happy Friday! It's Christine again, and today is Friday. It's the last day of school of the kids' day, and to show some appreciation to my kids' teacher, I decided to make some succulent arrangements for her. So I'm just gonna make a simple one. It's quick, it's not complicated. So let's go get some cuttings and arrange with me. So there you have it. It's fun, it's easy, and it's simple to make. It will surely be a perfect gift for someone, and it will surely brighten their day to receive something like this. So thank you again for watching. Happy growing! Bye!